This is the Sprint Zero Sprint video. I'm Samir.
I'm Bomani.
So our goal for our research is that we find that resources are really hard for undergraduate researchers to find on their own. It's especially hard in our virtual studio format where there's one faculty advisor and many undergraduate researchers. So we find that research suggestion will help researchers overcome roadblocks automatically, and then a tool that does this for them and does scaffolding suggestions will really help to aid a sprint or a task. So for our design, our problem is again that it's hard to find. Our design suggestion is to have a smart resource suggestion, and in terms of our process, our timeline is first to understand user habits and the sprint planning tool, understand the technology like Google App scripts, be aware of previous sprints, and be able to fabricate data off this. Then do an iteration where we fabricate data and suggest it to users. Then we do some testing, then we actually mine it with our technology, and then we implement an actual technical solution to link to people and actual resources used in the past. And then we do another round of user testing. And then thankfully we have DTR undergraduate researchers for our research, so we don't have to find anyone.
So our sort of high-level idea of how the technology will work is that we're going to have an external server that kind of bridges the user's input with the resource suggestions. So essentially, like, this server is going to be continuously scraping information from the sprint planning tools, folders from all the students from previous quarters, and storing that. And then when someone enters in a task, basically we'll use that to query our database of sprint details and give them a smart resource suggestion based on our findings. So our research approach for this is that basically we want to see if our tool will be able to suggest autonomously resources that are actually effective. And so our hypothesis is that an accurate and automated set of resources will actually help to increase the productivity of agile research studios by, one, kind of providing that set of useful information about resources and strategies, minimizing the time and mental energy spent battling blockers for novice researchers especially, and also decreasing the load on faculty or advisors within the studio, especially as the student to professor or principal investigator ratio increases. So that's it for Sprint Zero. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.